Welcome to the future of industrial innovation. Today we present the Castloaders 800 Echo, a technological milestone that redefines the standards of the electric mini-loader industry. The Castloaders 800 Eco defies convention with a telescopic boom, featuring an exceptional 3.1 meter reach, ensuring it can reach otherwise inaccessible places, taking versatility to a new level. Stability and precision are the norm with the standard parallelogram on the boom, ensuring smooth and safe operation. With a top speed of 12 km/h and thrust comparable to a diesel engine, this vehicle exceeds expectations. Its quietness is unique, offering an unparalleled working experience. The Castloaders 800 Eco is a symphony of efficiency, with less operating noise than any other electric mini-loader on the market. An unprecedented control experience with the joystick 14 all-in-one functions. And one pedal, you only need to press on the controller selector switch to reverse the direction of travel. With the boost mode button, you get exceptional hydraulic oil flow, and thanks to the variable hydrostatic system, you can vary the power of the hydrostatic system while it is being put under stress. Upstream, you can adjust the battery power with the energy-saving knob, while the electronic differential lock system ensures stability in every situation. Even though it is an electric vehicle, versatility still remains one of its strengths. The latter, however, also has a plug-in mode, allowing the machine to be powered while in operation directly from the grid. An intuitive and powerful control interface comes to life with the latest generation multifunction touchscreen display, allowing you to keep an eye on the charge, power available, and other very important technical data at all times. Let's not forget comfort. Now also available with a cab equipped with heating, the Castloaders 800 Eco is ready to redefine your concept of efficiency. Cast Group, forged with fire,